It was originally 380. Let's see, as you can see, here's the speed control right here. This is auto and manual. Manual is for jogging. Forward and reverse switch. This is reverse.
Will they know how to adjust this?
Doesn't it correspond to that gauge?
How do you adjust it? Give me a brief overview.
Say your material is 0.5. Ours is at 4, right? See, this is 4, and this is the 0 position.
Ah, 0 position.
We first carefully loosen the outlet by 50 units slightly.
The outlet?
Yes, the outlet. If the material is 50, we set it to 50 first. This side is about the same. Also set to 50. First, adjust both to the material thickness. Then run it and check the result. Normally, 50 units on this side won't achieve the desired effect because no real pressure is applied yet. So you adjust from the inlet side. Adjust it by 20 or 30 units at a time, like this. Meaning the inlet needs more pressure and the outlet less to keep it in a funnel shape. This outlet, just adjust it slowly. For example, if the material is entering arched.
The customer's material is aluminum sheet. He runs it piece by piece, adjusting as he goes, until he is satisfied with the result.
Adjust with a few pieces first, then it will be stable. Then just lock this down.
Lock it down.
Right.
If the leveling effect meets his requirements, then just tighten this lock.
Right. Lock it slightly.
Ah.
So this setting won't change. Then use the front one to apply pressure. See? Let's test it with some material.
Okay.
Let the upper and lower rollers disengage.
Upper and lower rollers disengage.
To match the material thickness.
Then
run it through. Then use the inlet to apply pressure slowly.
Adjust it slowly.
Right.
Adjust it until the leveling effect is just right.
Right. Take it out and check. Compare it.
Compare it.
If the material must ensure it enters like this, in an arched shape.
I know. Entering in an arch.
Entering in an arch. If it still comes out arched, it means not enough pressure. Press harder.
Apply more pressure.
If it starts to warp upwards, it's too much. Then we back it off.
Back it off. If it warps, then it's too much. And then back it off here.
Right.
Just back it off.
Yes.
So the outlet side doesn't need moving.
Keep the outlet opening about the same as the material thickness.
Open it to the material thickness, meaning just right.
Just about the same thickness as the material.
About the same thickness as the material. How do you feel if the thickness is about right?
You can stop the machine and try inserting a piece of material.
Stop it. Try inserting the material. If it can pass through and fit between the rollers.
Right. If it fits rollers, it's right.
Just right.
You can simply try it out like this.
Okay.
Then use the inlet to apply pressure.